Hello friends. Welcome to the 23rd episode of #Backlinks. In the last episode I taught you to create 5 EDU follow contextual backlinks. In today's episode I will teach you to create 5 South American GOV and EDU contextual backlinks. I hope you have created all the GOV and EDU backlinks till now and your SERP ranking also must have improved. You can find all the backlinks in the daily link building guide. If you are new to link building, then you can refer to this guide to boost your SERP ranking. You can find the link to daily link building guide in the video description below. If you are new to #backlinks, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you'll be able to create quality backlinks for your website and improve your website's SERP ranking. So, without wasting much time, let's get started. Our first website for today's episode is the educational website of Colombia. After signing up here, when we log in, we have to edit the URL in the address bar above. You will be redirected to your profile page where you have to click on Activity. There in the Personal section you can write your content and place a contextual backlink. Your backlink will be ready as soon as you click on Send Update. You can find out the exact URL of your backlink by clicking on the timestamp of your post. Our second website is the educational website of Argentina. After registering here, when you log in, you have to click on the top right-hand corner and go to your profile. You will see an option to edit profile, by clicking on which, you can write your content in the bio section and place a contextual backlink. By clicking on Update Profile Settings, your backlink will be ready, which you can check by going to your profile. Our third website is an educational website of Brazil. After registering here, when you log in the Folks section of the Activity tab, you can write your content and place a contextual backlink. By clicking on Publish Update, your backlink will be ready, which you can check by clicking on the timestamp of your post. Our fourth website is a government website of Colombia. After registering here, when you log in, you have to click on your username on the top right-hand corner and go to Edit Profile. There you can write your content in the text field of biographical information and place your contextual backlink. Your backlink will be ready as soon as you click on Update Profile. Follow me carefully on the screen as I am editing the URL in the address bar above. You will be taken to the forums where you will have to click on any random topic of any random thread. There you have to post a comment, after which you will be taken to your profile page when you click on your profile avatar. You will be able to check your backlink in your profile page. Last but not the least, our fifth website is an educational website of Uruguay. When you register here and log in, you have to edit the URL in the address bar above. You will be taken to your profile page where you can enter your content and place a contextual backlink in the Personal section of the Activity tab. Your backlink will be ready as soon as you click on Send Update. By clicking on the timestamp, you can find out the exact URL of your backlink. I hope you must have got to learn a lot from today's video. You can post your doubts and demands in the comments section below, or you can message me in the WhatsApp group of #backlinks. Let's meet in the next video with something informative and something very interesting.